Hi everyone, I am Bobby Ramesh, former Group Director of Nursing, India Operations Division, Parkway Pentai Limited, and a Principal Assessor for NABH. I am delighted to be a part of this platform provided by Voice of Healthcare on the occasion of World Mental Health Day. Today, as we celebrate World Mental Health Day, it is important to emphasize the significance of mental health and create more awareness regarding mental health among people. According to WHO and World Economic Forum, mental illness is the largest economic burden the world has today. Depression, alcohol use disorders, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorders are among the 10 leading causes of disabilities worldwide. According to a data released by WHO in 2018, every 40 seconds someone is committing suicide. Isn't that alarming? To add to all that, now is this pandemic. We all know that our lives have changed considerably due to COVID 19. Fear, anxiety, grief, worry, and depression have increased leaps and bounds among people due to lockdown, isolation, loss of job, and loss of loved ones. Occupational stress is highest among healthcare workers, especially nurses who are at the patient's bedside 24 by 7. International Council of Nurses have highlighted the increased anxiety and stress among nursing staff worldwide during this pandemic. In this situation, enhancing mental health of nurses should be a priority as they are vulnerable to stress and other mental health related issues. Nurse leaders must be considerate and compassionate towards their staff. Organizations must encourage, empower, and acknowledge their nursing staff. Though nurses are professionally quite competent, their ability to cope up with stress or resilience differs from person to person. Resilience can help you protect from various mental health related conditions such as depression and anxiety. Resilience won't make your problem go away, but it can definitely give you the ability to see past things, find enjoyment in life, and better handle stress. If you lack resilience, you might dwell on to problems, feel victimized, be overwhelmed, and turn to unhealthy coping mechanisms such as drug abuse, which is very rampant among youngsters these days. One can always develop skills to be more resilient. There are few tips to improve resilience which I'd like to share with you all. Get connected and build a strong relationship with your friends and loved ones who can support you during good and bad times. Make every day meaningful by setting goals and accomplishing them, which will give you a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. Be positive always, be hopeful and look forward to future than dwelling in the past. Learn from your past experiences, how you coped up with stressful situations in the past so that you can make strategies to cope up with similar stressful situations in future. Above all, take care of your health, take care of your rest, diet and sleep. As nurses, many a times we ignore our health, skip a meal or not have adequate rest or sleep, which is not right. Practice stress management techniques such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercise, or pursue your hobby you like. Be proactive while dealing with your problems. Don't ignore your problems. Instead, make a plan and take action accordingly. If one is suffering from grief or anxiety, they must not hesitate to seek the support of friends or loved ones whom they are comfortable with. Also, one should not hesitate to seek any professional help if required. Friends, colleagues, or family members should be supportive of such individuals suffering from mental health related issues. Apart from government organizations, non government organizations such as Voice of Healthcare can play a vital role in creating more awareness among public and educate them so that people do not consider it as a social stigma or a taboo anymore or hesitate to seek help. Mental health is everyone's right. Let's invest more and support each other and make mental health accessible to all. Thank you. Namaste.